Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this drone, Hover Pro drone. So you should purchase this kind of drone on any website or not, and what are the problems. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that this kind of product is easily available in the market, and as you can see over on your screen, this kind of you can say drone is easily available in the market. So my suggestion is only this: if you have seen any kind of advertisement on any kind of website, so you should be very careful before making any kind of purchase. I'm not going to talking about any website because in today's time hundreds of websites is selling this kind of product. So my suggestion is only this: when you are going to purchase this product, what should you do? You should keep in mind that is, you need to purchase this kind of product only on amazon.com, because when you purchase this product on amazon.com, you can easily return your product, and if you are facing any issue, you can also get your money back. Okay, so this is a very good thing about the product. You can easily get this product on amazon.com. okay, so my suggestion is only this: you should avoid any kind of purchase on any unofficial website, and keep in mind this thing, like you should go with this product only on amazon.com. okay, so don't purchase this product on other website, because when you purchase any kind of product on other websites, your product may be damaged, and you want to contact if the customer support team, then how you can contact. And when you make any kind of purchase on other websites, there is very difficulty while returning and refunding your money back. Okay, so this is the review of hover drone. If you like this video, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.